So this is my Google Tag Manager account, and this is my WordPress demo website. So you can see here is a YouTube video and Vimeo video. So I just play this Vimeo video. Okay, this video is start. Now you can see a tag fire here, Vimeo video. You can see the video action play, video person, video title, video reel, everything. Also if I go to tag manager, here even fire this video, FB Vimeo video. So I just send this video Facebook pixel. I can also able to see Google Analytics. So here is the video percent, video title, video reel. Also if I click this YouTube video, so it's just start, and also the tag is fire YouTube video. Here video current time, video duration, video percent, video provider, video title, everything is also on tag manager. Okay, here the information go to on Google Tag Manager. I am also able to send on Google Analytics. Okay, thank you.